Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy weeknight version chicken paprikash. We'll make it a lot in our house. My mother-in-law is Hungarian, and this is like Irina's version. So I hope you like it. Let's get started.
For this recipe, you will need chicken thighs, no skin, no bone. We're going to need some green bell pepper and red pepper, onion and garlic all chopped up. Sear the chicken on each side until golden brown. We're going to remove the chicken, then add a little bit of extra oil, onions, peppers, garlic, saute everything together until it's lovely and soft and slightly caramelized. Add the chicken back in, followed by paprika powder. We want Hungarian sweet paprika here, some tomatoes, stock, pop the lid on, simmer it for about 30 minutes. Traditionally you would serve chicken paprika with gnocchi, which is like little dumplings, but I'm making plain pasta with just a little bit of butter. Another essential side dish, in my opinion, is the cucumber and dill salad with sour cream. It really adds something special to the chicken paprikash and noodles, so make sure you give it a go. By this time, our chicken paprika should be ready. The final thing is to add a little bit of sour cream, stir it through, and serve with your noodles, rice, or gnocchi, and that cucumber and dill salad. I hope you love it as much as I do and my family. It's an absolute favorite.